Hey, what's going on guys? My name is Alex and welcome to my channel. Mr. Build It is what I go by, but to be honest with you, I have zero experience in any form of construction, no trades experience, and nobody taught me these things. All I am is I'm a husband, a dad, and a homeowner. And so instead of paying somebody to come and get the job done for me, calling a guy, I decided to use that money and buy the tools and then figure out and learn how to do it myself. I have a lot of knowledge that I've learned through trial and error, and I can't wait to share it with you guys. We live in the greatest time to be alive because we don't have to go to the library to read a bunch of books to learn how to do something, or we don't have to take an apprenticeship program to learn to do this. We have the power of the internet, so we can find the answers that we're looking for in how to do it ourselves. We do things like knocking down walls, putting up new electrical, or even building furniture like these kitchen cabinets. So if you like things like that, you like being encouraged to try it yourself and sharing tips and tricks that I've learned along the way, I encourage you guys to hit the subscribe button, tap that notification bell, that way you'll be alerted every time we put a video out. And until then, let's go build something. See ya.